This is the Maths Foundation Tier, Unit 2, November 2016. So this is the calculator paper. If you were using these videos to self-assess, then you may want to have a look at what marks you needed across the two papers to get what grades. Anything below 18 is a U. These are the numbers you needed to achieve those grades. Question 1. Fill in the boxes below to make each calculation correct. So 8 times 45 pence is how much? So again, just making sure I don't make any typos on the calculator. 8 times 0.45 equals, if we're using a Casio calculator and that comes up as a fraction, press the SD button here to change it from a fraction to a decimal and vice versa. So that's 3.6 that's come up with. So because this is in pounds, it's really important that you remember that there are always two numbers after the decimal place when we're using pounds. So that's £3.60. 6 times what is £6.30. So this time we've got the answer, we need to find the missing gap. So we're going to change that for a divide this time. So £6.30 divided by 6. 6.30 divided by 6 equals £1.05. If you wanted to double check that, then you could have £1.05 times 6, and that'll come up with your answer of 6.3 or £6.30. Same thing here, £7.80 divided by 65p. So the calculator's working in pounds and pence now, £7.80. So if I did 7.80 divided by, I'd have to change that into pounds and pence. So that would be £0.65. So £7.80 divided by 0.65 equals 12. And then again, if you wanted to check your answer, you've got the 12 times 0.65 equals, and that gives you an answer of £7.80. Last one, £3.60 divided by what gives you 36. So when we're dividing here, if I divide £3.60 by this number or £3.60 by that number, it would be exactly the same. So £3.60 divided by, well again I'll have to change this into pounds and pence, 0.36 equals 10. So you should actually see the relationship without even doing that on a calculator. These numbers are one space over here, meaning that it's 10 times as big. So if you wanted to check your answer, then you do the same. So this is a 4-mark question, so you get 1 mark for each of these correct answers.